right there.
Oh. There it is.
There it is. I'm definitely recording this. Tornado!
You're approaching a twisting storm. Exercise caution.
Right there, tornado. Oh!
You're approaching a twisting storm. Exercise caution.
Right there, tornado.
Where'd it go?
This there, it's just, see, it's, I think it lifted. But look at all the rotation in there. It's going to do it again.
You're approaching a twisting storm. Please exercise caution.
Okay, come on, baby.
Stay on the ground a little while.
Just do it. We want a cotton candy funnel.
Mm-hmm. There it is. Is it doing? It is. There it is. Right there. I want to see the debris on the ground.
Well, oh, they stuck one there? Or, we better go further north. Yeah.
Very
Boy,
successful.
What a great last day you guys
Yeah,
had.
I'll take the first day, Jason, with the one tornado that was weak and puny, and that was nice. That was very pretty.
That was very pretty.
Very short, but
Yeah.
Matt's like, I can't get close to them, they just die, and then it comes out of it.
Yeah. Oh. Betsy, move just a little bit.
Betsy, yeah. Thank you.
Oh, it's coming down.
Yeah.
Yeah, it keeps turning. Oh, there it goes.
Yep. There it is. It's coming down. Is it on the ground or I can't
Yeah.
tell? Ask Betsy a little bit. Move just a little bit. Oh boy.
Betsy, could you move closer to your car just a pinch?